Ano yung changes na pwede mo namang gawin para mas maging approachable ka?
Pero sir, last week medyo naging clear yung yung personalities naming lahat. Lalo na when we had to talk with Sir Monet. Kasi it really helped na we all understood how each and every one is. Kaya hindi na masyadong, parang ngayon, mas na ako.
You're not as distant as before.
Not as distant as before. For the first time, I
pansinin
appreciate
nila
it.
tayo ngayon,
Tulad
payapa.
For the first time.
Payapa. Payapa. Kirang-kira?
Payapa.
Ligaw kirang-kira.
Because what you call this, ang nasa isip ko is that you're very well liked in this group. You're a nice person, you're likable, personable, and probably yung block is nagagaling rin sa'yo.
Saan pang blocking?
Well, one thing is yung itsura mo nga, you're kind of expecting them, inaasahan mo na sila ang lumapit sa'yo. When actually, paano sila lapit kung ganyan ang itsura mo?
So hindi ko naman inaasang nalapitan nila ako parati na parang may kapansanan ako or whatever.
Babatuin ko to.
Hindi sir, kung parang pagpasok nila gusto na lang ako usapin bigla, hindi naman ako, don't get me.
Anong ba?
May kapansanan.
Oh wait.
Magpapayat
There's
ka
times I
kaya,
have approached
Miguel.
them, right? I'll go up to Miguel go,
Sensitivity.
diba? Kasi it's so aggressive na pang, wow, okay, narating pala.
That's just
Right? You know that.
be sensitive.
Same with us.
Okay. And si Von naman, ano yung magagawa mo para matanggal naman yung takot mo sa... yung pagiging intimidated mo sa
Huwag yung
tangkad
mata
niya?
yung
Matawanan ko lang.
Ikaw yung may takot dahil sa tangkad niya.
Hindi mo nagsa-special child mode.
Medyo
Nagsa-special child mode.
baliwala na lang. Parang
Kaya mo yun.
set aside na lang yun.